Let me just put this up. Let me stream this real fast. Give me a second. So, let me share my screen real fast. Hold, please. Can you see my screen? Just want to make sure.
Taking a minute. Just to know, I don't think we have like a broadcast handler anymore, so we're probably no one's gonna be able to exactly see.
What, like the broadcast isn't live anymore? Like,
Live, but like no one's changing it. I think Dorian is the one who can change it.
yes. Dorian is the one who can change. Well,
Yeah, I don't have any
box.
I do not have any control over. Hold on, what does it look like right now?
Give me a few minutes.
No one can see our radar right now. No one can see it.
That is very bad. Okay, that's not good.
We might have to be like describing stuff. We might have to.
So, from impact portions of western Fulton, southwestern Mississippi, and southwestern Scott, central New. I'm not even gonna say that county. I don't even know the name of that. And eastern Stoddard counties through 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near advance, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard gust up to 50 miles per hour and nickel-sized hail. This was based off radar indications.
All right. Yeah, and I can tell. I don't know if this is this might not be hail. It might just be like heavy rain.
Yeah.
Probably like heavy rain, considering how much precipitable water is in the atmosphere currently. Probably just heavier raindrops. Nothing really to go home about it right now, but
yeah,
there's still a thing we need to keep up with.
a few seconds. Nothing yet.
Okay.
From IMBot, so.
Hold on. That might be an error. I'm not sure. That might be an error.
It's
I'm not sure.
It's not very good if we have errors.
But I'm saying like that might be an error because if you're looking at my screen, it says there's a couplet right there, but I highly doubt it. It doesn't look very defined.
Huh. That's oddly weird.
Looks.
So rotation error?
Might be. It's probably trying to pick up if there's like rotation right there, but it's incorrect currently. It seems to be incorrect.
I mean, anything's possible, honestly. I mean, there's a 50% chance there's a high chance that's an error, but there's also a 50% chance that that's something that is rotating. So.
If you, well, we'll keep an eye out on that for sure. If it maintains for a little bit, we'll have to keep a really close eye on it. doesn't look. We just got a bunch of stuff.
I just want to say thank you, Hansnoids, for setting up that YouTube stream, so people can actually see his radar. Yeah, are you good, Quinn? Because it's kind of strange.
Like the names that we on the screen.
Yeah, can you add? Is there a possibility you can add the names?
I'd probably say, hold on, I'm gonna look back at what a Paducah was. Paducah. It seems to just be more general thunderstorms right now. This doesn't look very organized.
Yeah, I'd say McLean is getting hit by a lot of heavy rain right now. McLean is getting hit by a lot.
It's gonna be important that like I'm not expecting this to be super crazy, like really crazy, but I just want to just see if like, we just need to watch it.
Yeah. And that rotation signature is still showing up. Huh.
Okay.
Yeah, that's give me this. The strong thunderstorm will be near Oran and Bell City around 2 p.m. Central. That was in the special weather state. I'm even saying there's a bit more of a chance that actually is detecting. That's actually detecting rotation.
It just faded. So
Oh.
you can see it just absolutely yeah, no longer something might have kicked up there for a minute, but it seems to be mostly destroyed. You can see how disorganized it is now.
Yeah.
I was getting a bit worried there.
What are those triangles? Are those hail signatures?
These are
right
these are hail signatures, but
yeah. Okay.
it might be mostly rain right now, simply because of how fast it's falling down. I would assume it's falling. I would assume if we go to look at that. If you look right here, that's probably mostly rain, but that's quite heavy rain. That's just how much liquid is currently in the atmosphere, and it's probably just a lot of rain more than hail.
Give me a second. I'm just making sure that Hansnoid's stream is still gotta, kind of up. Oh. Okay, never mind. We're good. Okay.
Kind of interesting. There might be one developing east of it too.
Oh,
But
that's
there's another one developing east, it appears.
Yeah, those are some pop-up cells that are getting organized a bit even more.
Yeah, this one is getting some structure already.
Yeah. Or rain is already getting impacted by some heavy rain. There's like a high chance of it getting warned since there's already a special weather statement on them. I would say Morley would get impacted by some of those. That cell in about a couple minutes if it continues straight. But we have no clue where that cell's. Do we have?
I would assume southwest. I would assume southwest. Hold on. Actually, we're not. We're currently just. I can turn on smoothing, but hold on. If I set like a I don't know how fast this is moving. I'd assume it's like south,
Hey,
like southwest. Hello?
the viewers right now are actually really liking this. You two keep up the good work. I'm genuinely impressed.
Okay, thank you so
Oh,
much, man.
thank you so much.
No problem. No problem.
All right. So if anyone who's tuning in just now, we have some pop-up cells going along the Missouri Boot Heel area,
Yeah.
as well as Southwest Missouri, like Paducah, Southeast Missouri, I mean, and also the Paducah area.
We have a new special weather statement from Paducah. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southwestern Crittenden, southeastern Livingston, northeastern Marshall, and western Leon counties through 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
All right, thank you for the information. You guys might have just heard we have a new special weather statement. Strong thunderstorm. This seems this one's probably key to watch right here too. You can see it's getting more intense.
Yeah, that I think that cell would. It's honestly, I think that cell would bring some very, very strong winds. That
Hold on. Correlation. Okay. I don't know about right here, but that's a little bit of a. That's not a tornado, but I think that might be some heavier stuff, possibly hail. There might be a tiny bit of hail falling there. But you can kind of see it's a little. But main thing is if you're watching and you're in this area, just keep close eye.
only keep a close eye on that cell right there.
Yeah. The cell you're talking about earlier seems to be splitting. Seems to be splitting a bit, as you can tell by this evidence. Kind of, just the yellow starts breaking. So,
Yeah.
Also looks like near Poplar Bluff. I want to bring attention here. There's also some stuff going on down here too. There's some cells. If I look, if you look right here, if you go to hail sides, you can kind of see along here we got some of the heavier stuff. So it's yeah.
I want to go back to the Orain.
Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Sorry about that, folks who are watching. Stream just, I don't know, probably internet connections. There's a new signature right on top of Orain that I want to look at.
Moraine?
Yeah, Orain. There's a new
Orain,
signature
yep.
right there.
Hold on. What is that looking like?
I feel like that's Haler.
That's looking heavy. That doesn't look as like, if you noticed earlier, it looked a lot more like just disorganized.
Yeah.
It's probably still, I'd probably say it's rain or maybe like small hail. But
Yeah, pea-sized hail at best.
Pea-sized hail at best. It says 0.65 inches anyway. So, you can tell it used to be like all over the place here, but it's becoming a little bit more uniform. And I think we actually just got an update on radar scans. So, yes, this area might be dying down a bit, but we would have to tell. Your time will tell. This cell is having some of its first more stronger reflectivity signatures due to this is starting to have some stronger reflectivity signatures locally, as you can tell by these pink radar gates.
Yeah, I would say anyone in the path of that cell should just keep an eye on that cell for any further organization / development.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
In terms of geez.
What the
These are echo tops, so That's quite a bit of height, honestly. Is that showing anything currently? Oh, that's kind of a
Yeah, that's getting my attention.
that's actually a little bit that sounds like something else might be coming up there too. Because if you got really, as you can tell, high something like really peaks like that should catch someone's attention like that. That's some strong lift.
Yeah, that's certainly catch my attention. No new special weather statements yet, except for that one that was issued around. What time is it in Central Daylight Time right now? I would say around like 2:30 something. I don't know.
Okay. We're gonna go to St. Louis for a sec. St. Louis area. And it seems that stuff has mostly faded.
On down.
It's mostly faded from the St. Louis area. So mostly faded. There's nothing really there anymore. But except if you're in like Verburnum or an area like that, that's
where Fultz. Fultz is getting some rain right there.
Yeah, back to what is that?
Huh.
There's some like area like Bloomington.
That's
producing some disorganized thunderstorm activity. I think one of our big focuses, these look like more like general thunderstorms.
Yeah.
Unless that thing in your Cisco has something happen. But I think it's our main area of focus should probably be right about here. Paducah.
Yeah. Definitely.
I get a tiny bit concerning with that structure. That's a little that's some structure starting to form. Like
I would. Yeah, that's we got a new signature somewhere near Morley.
1.9, I think.
Paducah issues severe thunderstorm warning for Butler, Missouri until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wind 60 mile per hour. Hail 1 inch in diameter. This was based off radar indications.
Okay. We can think there, not spectrum width. I want base velocity. You know what? Just storm motion from warning. I'm gonna do. Okay, so you can see there's some kind of the downdraft right here. Downdraft right here. You can see it. That's probably going to produce some wind gusts. That's going to produce some wind gusts for sure. And I think that's a fair alert right there. I think that's a justified. I think what. Bluff right now. Seems to be descending on that area right now.
Yeah. 1 inch in diameter is quarter. So yeah. I would say if anyone is like out on the roads or is walking somewhere, get into your safe shelter, because we could have some possible hail with that cell right there.
Yes, very important. It seems, yeah, that is a cell that's going to track through that general area. Although, okay, I can't. Is that possibly merging?
If it's merging, then that's
looks like some destructive. Might be like, it seems like it'd be some interference possibly, because you clearly got something like, okay, so you kind of notice how the this part extended out a bit.
I'm gonna share something in chat. Give me a second. share a chart of hail sizes, so we can just see and look back at what it would be like. You know.
Okay. Poplar Bluff. Is there a closer radar site I could go to? Not really.
Not yet.
This is the best we're gonna get. This seems to be becoming more of like a line. I can tell this. This is becoming a little bit more of a line.
That's definitely. Give me so yeah. Your radar is perfectly. Yeah, that's exactly. Oh my god. I'm sharing an image from my aimbot here. A couple seconds.
Also, we're gonna have to monitor for reports coming in. There might be a Popular Bluff. There's probably gonna be at least. I would not be surprised if there's a report of something that comes in.
Yeah. I'll keep an eye on that. So.
Okay, interesting. We got a hail signature that is
Oh.
intensified a bit near Morley. It's now saying 2.23.
Okay, 2.23. Let me. Paducah Weather Protection Center issues mesoscale precipitation discussion concerning heavy rainfall, flash flooding likely.
Okay,
This was issued from all Springfield, St. Louis, and Paducah offices.
Yeah, flash flooding is probably one of the biggest threats here, but severe weather is definitely on the table, at least short-lived, if any. Okay. Look at this right here. We got some.
Yeah, I can see that. What the? Give me a second. Alright, I'm back. Sorry.
Flash flooding is definitely here. Okay, also on the back to Popular Bluff for a minute. That is showing some signs for sure.
Yeah. We would just be on the lookout for that because anything's possible, honestly.
Honestly, yeah, shear is like low, so shear is low, but as you can say, anything could happen really.
I'm still monitoring IMBot, just to make sure the viewers get all the latest information.
To anyone who just came in, this is me and Logan. Logan is currently monitoring our alerts, and I am monitoring the radar.
If you're wondering where Dorian and Quinn are, they're doing stuff.
They're doing stuff currently. We're kind of being their backups, I guess you could say.
Yeah.
But I wanted to join the Dorian channel anyway, so maybe they'll let me.
Yeah.
So back to Morley. We still have this.
So got that signature there as well.
Signature. It's kind of uniform across the area. There might be some hail falling down. I haven't checked correlation coefficient in a bit, but there's drops in areas, so there could be some hail falling in addition, and locally. Hail could be falling locally in some areas.
Heavy rainfall is possible.
Yes. Flash flooding is definitely possible here.
You on? Don't worry about it, Quinn. We got it. And yeah, the line is significantly more developed as well. That is words from Quinn.
You can even see this area of likely maybe a hail core beginning to form up too. So this is definitely it's right over Popular through.
Yeah. Popular Bluff is getting some a lot of heavy rain right now, so I would worry about flash flooding and some hail.
Flash flooding, damaging wind, hail, main threats here. Although I would say damaging winds probably are one of our biggest worries in addition to flash flooding. Hail could happen locally. Could happen locally in some areas.
Yeah.
As you can tell with this Popular Bluff thunderstorm. There's also I don't know if you've noticed, but there's also Cherokee and Raven Den Springs over here in Arkansas that has some stuff going on too. A little bit, mainly due probably because I was trying to getting it mixed up a bit, but yeah.
Okay. I am here. I am back.
Welcome back.
So I at the recycling link here and watching. I'm about to send an image of water here. It rained quite a lot.
Quinn, we can't hear you quite well.
Yeah, you sound like a robot. Just to give you a heads up.
Data here. So sending puddle.
Yeah, buddy, we still can't hear you, man. We still don't even know what you're making out. Momento, por favor. My system just crashed, so let me get everything back up. Okay, new information. As along with Springfield, St. Louis, and Paducah, their offices have issued the Storm Prediction Center issues massive scale discussion concerning severe potential. Watch possible. It's 40%.
So, yeah, you just heard. They could potentially issue at least a severe thunderstorm watch. Chance is 40%. You just heard that. So, definitely they are monitoring the situation in the National Weather Service, and we'll keep you posted.
Okay, I don't even know what's going on with my thing. Just random things are happening right now. Alright, but promise I am going to stay here for as long as we need. Can everyone hear me? Alright.
I can hear you.
Okay, that's good.
Did you just receive an IEM bot update?
No. I just put the audio volume up so I could hear the ding.
Just thought you got an update. So.
Oh wait, you could hear that?
I could actually hear it when you get updates.
Huh. It's oddly weird. It's never happened to me. I'm actually gonna scout. I'm actually gonna search on Twitter for any pictures or anything. I'm just